Hey guys, I'm Chris from the Silver Symbol channel, and in today's video, we are talking about backup cameras on your vehicle. These things are awesome. They make your life easier and even safer. But it seems like as soon as you get your car washed, within just a day or two, that image that was crystal clear gets muddied up, and now this camera is not really much of a help at all. But in this video, I'm going to share two of the best tips for keeping that camera lens as clear as possible for as long as possible. And the best part is, you don't even have to go to the store to buy a thing, because the first tip I'm going to show you is a little bit unconventional, but I assure you it works. Now, some really fancy cars have cameras in the front, back, and even the sides, but on this Toyota Tacoma, I've only got the one in the rear. But the method is essentially the same no matter what type of camera you've got. We want to treat this lens with something that can help protect it, allow it to shed water off, and even things like dirt and road salt. And I promise you, you wouldn't have to buy a thing. And this trick begins with the humble potato. Now, I'm not recommending that you waste any food at all. You only need a little tiny piece of the potato, so you can either cut something off or just simply wait until you're cooking them the next time and grab a little piece of a peel. And if you're not ready to do it right away while you're making dinner, you can stick this little piece of peel in a Ziploc bag and use it a couple of days later. And shockingly, this little potato contains starches that actually provide a natural type of water repellency. And you might be thinking this is clickbait or just some sort of BS, but I assure you that is not the case. So before we actually apply it to the camera lens, let's do a quick experiment to demonstrate how well this works. On the left is just simply the untreated glass. On the right, I'm going to take this small piece of potato peel and I'm going to wipe it around the glass. I'll allow it a few minutes to dry and then I'll buff it off. Now when I pour this water on it, take a look at the difference. The untreated glass might look like it's repelling water, but that's because the water is actually just staying on the glass. The side treated with a potato is repelling all of the water, and that is exactly what we want to happen with our camera's lens. Now back to our camera lens. You'll want to begin by using some type of a cloth. I like these microfibers. They just do a really good job. Just put a little bit of water on the rag. You can use a little bit of soap, but it's usually not necessary. Wipe it a couple of times and make sure that the lens is looking clean. Then go ahead and use a dry portion of the cloth and dry it completely. And now for the fun part, take that tiny piece of potato peel and you're going to wipe it around the lens. And while this may look a little silly, you can certainly go ahead and use a really small piece of potato and your neighbors will never know what you're doing. Allow that to dry for about 5 minutes. You can certainly wait much longer if you like, even the end of the day, and then you'll go ahead and take a dry cloth and just simply wipe the residue off. Using the simple potato treatment will give you about 2 to 3 months of free protection on your lens. Now, of course, you had to buy the potato, but hopefully you were doing that anyway, and you shouldn't need to waste any part of it. But there is a better way that will last a lot longer. In fact, if you do this second method, you'll only spend about $5 to $6 and you'll get about a year's worth of protection keeping that lens clean. We're going to use a product that is already very popular on the market called Rain-X. Now, Rain-X is safe for any type of glass, and many people already use it on their windshields and side windows to repel water. We can use that same technique to repel those contaminants on our backup camera's lens. Just like with the potato method, start with a clean, dry lens. Only need just a couple of drops. So apply it to the camera lens in a circular motion and then allow that to dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now go ahead and buff off any remaining residue on the lens with a microfiber cloth. But now that you've added this Rain-X to the lens, you will get about a year's worth of protection, maybe even more, meaning that your backup camera is going to give you a crystal clear image for as long as possible and a heck of a lot longer than if you didn't do any protective coating at all. Whether you use that potato method or the Rain-X option, these two tips are going to extend that life of the camera visibility and make your life a little bit easier. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Silver Symbol channel for more videos coming up.